Having a strong sense of community inside Confluence is important, especially when working in modern distributed teams who might only meet online. When there is a good sense of community, things generally work better for everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to update your profile, giving you a professional presence online. We'll also show you how to change your password and look a little deeper into the community emails that you receive and how to control them. Let's jump in. Let's begin by building your online profile so that other Confluence users have a better understanding of who you are and what you do. When you hover your mouse over the profile picture of any Confluence user, you'll see their basic profile information. Just like Facebook, knowing with whom you're interacting online is important. To create your own profile, click on the profile picture and select Profile. Here, we are on my own profile page. This page is also accessible to other Confluence users and gives them more information, including how to contact you. The page you're looking at may vary slightly from your own profile page. At the top of my profile, you will notice the Expertise section. You will only see this if you have Questions for Confluence installed. Questions for Confluence is an optional plugin, which is fantastic for asking questions and sharing knowledge between all the members of your teams in real time. We highly recommend it. To edit your profile, just click on the Edit Profile button top right. We encourage all of our team members to add some useful information in the personal and company sections. This helps to build a good online community within Confluence, especially as some of our team members only interact online. This becomes even more important as the size of our company grows larger. Once you've updated your details, just click the Save button. Then, click on the Profile tab again. Next, you can upload your own profile picture or an avatar if you like. To do this, just click on the picture link in the sidebar. From here, you can upload your picture or even take a picture using your own webcam. Just click on Done when you're finished. And that's us. Our profile information is set. Next, let's take a closer look at how you can select the emails that you receive from Confluence and examine what these emails contain. From our tabbed options, click on Settings. Now, select Email from the sidebar. Although Confluence will reduce your email load, email is still used to alert you to important actions and updates. Your main options are Auto Watch, which alerts you to changes made on content that you have created. The Daily Updates Report. This summarizes all the changes to the site which you have permission to view. Subscribe to All Blogs does exactly what it says. Blogs are used by teams to make announcements regarding their work, such as new projects started or existing ones completed. This will help keep you up to date with what's going on around your organization. Subscribe to Network will alert you when anyone you are following in your own network adds or changes content. Subscribe to New Follower Notifications will let you know when someone adds you in their own network and begins following you. Notify on My Actions will send you notifications on all changes to content that you make on the site, in addition to other people's changes. Show Changed content can be rather detailed. It will send a notification showing the differences between the current and previous versions of the page whenever content is changed. The final option, Subscribe to Recommended Updates, will send you recommended items that you might be interested in, based on the comments and likes that you make over time. This can highlight items that you might otherwise miss. A link in the email message will allow you to choose either daily or weekly notifications. You can select the email you receive by clicking on the Edit button and ticking the items that you want. Finally, whenever you need to change your password, simply click on the password link in the sidebar from this page and follow the prompts. And that's us. We've looked at the benefits of updating your profile and adding your picture to build a sense of community. You can also now control the standard email notifications that you want to receive and change your password. Till next time, enjoy and have fun.